to create a Yahoo email account without phone number. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create your Yahoo email account without your phone number. So creating our Yahoo email account without a phone number is possible way. So here are the process how we can do that. First of all, you have to choose your preferred browser, and once you are here, you have to go for the search bar and search for the yahoo.com. Once you have searched for the yahoo.com, so you have to just tap on the sign in or sign up option here. So once you are on your create a Yahoo account, here you can see your full name. You have to write your full name here. So write your name and surname. And here you can see your Yahoo. You have to provide your Yahoo email address here like this. After that, you can add your password here and you have to write your birth date and just go for the next option. So here you can see that you have to add your phone number. So if you don't want, then you can go back again. Also, you can create your account with your Google ID and email address again. So just tap on the Google here and you have to choose your preferred Google account and just tap on the continue option to sign into your Google. And after that, you have to write your birth here and go for the next option here. So here you can see that you have been successfully logged into your account without a phone number. So this is the simple step how we can log into your Yahoo email account without a phone number. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.